So before I start writing now, yes, every day and in every way, I am getting better and better, wiser and wiser, smarter and smarter, stronger and stronger, greater and greater, richer and richer, healthier and healthier. I am richer in knowledge. I am the best. Yeah. Everybody type in the comment section, I am the best. Type, I am the best. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Fantastic. So once again, if you're new to Learning Base Africa, you're welcome. Click on the three dots on your device. Click on the three dots that are beside the end call button. They are beside the red end call button. Then click on in call messages. Click on in call messages, you'll be able to type. So now that we want to start learning, I'm going to close the comment section because I don't want you to be distracted. So everybody should stop typing. I want to close the comment section. I want you to learn. So it is time to learn. Yeah, this is Learning Base Africa. We're going Africa. Okay, yes, we are the best. So now let's quickly learn. We're learning two things this evening, and we're going to have a competition, fast competition about whatever we're going to learn this evening. So I hope you're ready. Fast, fast, fast competition. Okay, so pay attention to my screen. Okay, before we start, if you can see my screen, type 1000 in the comment section. Mercy, good evening. How are you? If you can see my screen, type 1000 in the comment section. Okay, okay, perfect, perfect. Amazing. So you can see my screen. So let's pay attention. You won't be able to type again. Everything you're going to see now is my screen. Don't look for my face, okay? You will see my face at the end of the class, but the system will only show you my screen. Okay, so let's pay attention. Now, the first thing we're going to learn is multiplication by 11. I know my students here know it. Now let's learn it again. Multiplying any number. Multiplying any number by 11. The reason we are doing this is because when you're trying to find the area or perimeter of a circle, there is a place where you'll be asked to multiply by 22. And 22 is a multiple of 11. 22 is a multiple of 11. So if you know how to multiply by 11, you'll be able to multiply by 22. So now look at the first example. Let's look at the first example together. Now, if we have 32 times 11, what you need to do is to write only the first and the last digit. The first and the last digit. The first digit is 3, the last digit is 2. You heard me. I did not say the first and the second digit. I said the first and the last digit. Then add the two numbers together, 3 plus 2. That will give us 5. Write 5 at the middle of 3 and 2. So 32 times 11 is equal to 352. Yes. Now look at another example. 44 times 11. 44 times 11. Write down the first digit and the last digit, giving a space in between. Add the two digits together. You're going to have 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Write 8 at the middle. So 44 times 11 is 484. Get ready, I'm starting my competition shortly. Now let's look at another one. 81 times 11. Write down the first digits and the last digits. Then add 8 and 1 together. Add them together. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Write 9 at the middle. That is our answer. 81 times 11 is equal to 891. Now, listen to the fourth example. Listen to the fourth example. Number 4. 312 times 11. You can see we are going higher. 312 times 11. Write down the first digit. Everybody listen. The first digit is 3. The last digit is 2. Now go back to the number. Go back to the number and begin to add up the digits. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Come back here and write 3. Then 1 plus 3 is 4. Come back here and write 4. So 312 times 11 is equal to 3,432. 3,432. Now look at the next one. 425 times 11. Write down the first digit, which is 4, and the last digit, which is 5. Give a space at the middle, then come back to the number and begin to add the digits together. 5 plus 2 is 7. Write 7 beside 5. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Write 6 beside 7. So 425 times 11 is equal to 4,675. Now look at the sixth one around this place. Make sure you're writing as we are learning. Pay full attention. Now look at the next one. 713 times 11. Write down the first digit and the last digit, giving a space in between. Come back to the number and begin to add the digits together. 3 plus 1, that's 4. Write down 4 on the right side. 1 plus 7, that's 8. Write down 8 in the remaining space. So 713 times 11 is equal to 7,843. Hooray! This is how simple it is to multiply by 11. Okay, now we want to move up, we want to move higher. So multiplying by 11 with numbers that will give us a digit to carry. All right, now look at the seventh example. If I have 89 times 11. 89 times 11. I'm going to write down the first digit and the last digit with a space in between. Then I'm going to add 8 and 9 together. 9 plus 8 will give us 17. Instead of you writing down 17, write only 7. Carry 1 to the left. That's how we do it. So your answer will be equal to 1 plus 8, that's 9. That's 979. Fantastic, right? You should be able to tell the answer without writing, without doing the calculation. So what I'm doing is just to show you, to tell you how you do it in your head. It's not meant for you to use your pen to calculate, all right? The students at Learning Based Africa know that. We are only doing it. I'm only showing you on the screen to be able to know how to do it in your head. Okay, number 8. All right, number 8. Now, what if we have 75 times 11? Write down 7, write down 5, that's the first and the last digit, give a space in between, then add the two digits together. 5 plus 7 is 12. Write 2 down at the middle, carry 1 over to the next digit. So 1 plus 7 is 8. That's 825. I hope you're enjoying the class. I am enjoying the class. All right? Pay attention once more. Now, the next one, let's say we have 29 times 11. 29 times 11. Now, write down the first digit, which is 2. Write down the last digit, which is 9. Then add the two digits together. 9 plus 2, that will be 11. Write 1, carry 1 over to the next digit. Okay? So 1 plus 2, that's 3, then 1, then 9. So the answer is 319. 29 times 11 is equal to 319. 319. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. Now, what if I have 737 times 11? This time it is 3 digits that you will need to add up or carry over to the left side. So write down only the first digit and the last digit. So the first digit is 7, the last digit is 7. Then go back to the number and begin to add the digits together. 7 plus 3 is 10. Write 0, carry 1 over. Just carry 1 right here. Then 7, 3 plus the next 7 on the left is 10. 10 plus the 1 that you carried, that is 11. Write 1, carry 1 over on 7 on the left. So the answer will be, we're going to add the 1 that we carried to 7. 1 plus 7, that is 8. So that is 8107. So 737 times 11 is equal to 8,107. 8,107. So this is the first part of the class. So now 5 minutes for competition. Let's see who is going to win. Let's see who's going with. Somebody is happy. Somebody is so happy for competition. Are you ready? Awesome, awesome. Okay, so now listen attentively. I'm going to ask you a question. You type your answer in the comment section. So now if you're done writing what is on my screen, the comment section is open. Type done. Oh, those are my students. They already know what I'm going to ask. So they've already typed done. If you're done writing, type done. Amazing, amazing. Yeah. That's math time. Okay. So now the first question, are you ready? I'm going to lock the comment section, so pay attention. I'm going to lock the comment section. So what is 52 times 11? Type your answer now. Write your name beside your answer before you post it. If your answer is 44, write 44, then type your name beside it. Mercy Ufoma 44. Mercy Ufoma, then post it so that I can mention your name. So are you ready? What is 52 times 11? Post your answer now. 52 times 11. Your name must be beside your answer if you want me to mention your name. 52 times 11. Wow, amazing. We're rolling it in math. Wow. Faith typed her answer first. Faith dropped her answer first, followed by Uchechi 572. Correct. Desmond, correct. Fedora, correct. Victor Iloba, correct. Macaulay, correct. Excel, correct. Emmanuel. Emmanuel, what happened? You made a mistake. Check your answer. Nature, correct. Divine, correct. Wisdom, correct. Victoria, correct. Nebila, correct. Uh-oh. I don't know this child's name. The child with Irat Olowa. I don't know your name. You didn't type your name. Moyosore Oluwa, correct. Emmanuel, correct. Ibrahim, correct. Osasuyi, correct. Ah, I missed you. It's been a while. Oh, this is Prosper. Damilare, correct. Eric, correct. Zainab, correct. Simdi, correct. Laughter, correct. I like to laugh. Precious, what happened? Precious, you made a mistake. Check your answer. Mercy, Saya, you didn't write your name. The child with that email didn't write the name. Zinat, correct. Praise, correct. Damian Isaiah, correct. The child with Stella Oluchi, you didn't type your name. Latifat Ibrahim, is your name Muslim? You didn't type your name, Muslim. Okay, no problem. The child with Taiwo Shobowale, you didn't type your name. Chidiebere, correct. Lizzie Busoye, okay, I'll mention your email. Correct. Favor, correct. Olayi Veronica, correct. Grace, correct. Tijani Muxi, correct. Ewa, correct. Amanda, Precious, correct. Oh, your name is Muslim. I like that. That's good. Okay, that's amazing. So ready for the next question? I've closed my comment section. So what is, oh God, who's going to get this? Who's going to get this? What is 152 times 11? Type your answer, type your name beside it. Are you ready to post? 152 times 11. 152 times 11. Don't forget how I taught you. Post your answer now. Post your answer now. 152 times 11. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Yes, I can see your answers. 152 times 11. Wow, Emmanuel, that's my boy. Yeah, Emmanuel, correct. 1,672. Divine, correct. Fedora, Eric, Uche, Victor Iloba, correct. Nature, Desmond, Wisdom, Macaulay, Nebila. Oh my God, we are on fire. Sarah Oishamaye, what happened? You made a mistake in the last digit. Victoria, correct. Prosper, correct. Chidiebere, correct. Favor, correct. Precious, correct. Faith, check your answer. What happened? You typed one twice. Osasuyi, correct. Moyosori Oluwa, correct. Simji, correct. Zainab, correct. Damian Isaiah, correct. Irat Olowa, correct. Muxit, correct. Stokes, correct. Zinat, correct. Muslim, correct. Favor, correct. Oh, Excel, I'm really sorry. That must be your network if you couldn't hear me. Mary, correct. Grace, correct. Ewa, correct. Uh-oh, I'm skipping somebody. Okay, Shola, correct. Peculiar, correct. Havila, correct. Okay. Rukayat Omolara Adekunle, correct. Glorious Ugochukwu, correct. Yes, answer is 1,672. Thank you. Sarah Oishamaye and Marvelous. So I'm closing my comment section. Now, the last question for this section will now move into another aspect in math. All right, so we'll continue with this concept tomorrow. Are you ready? So what is 59 times 11? What is 59 times 11? Ready to post? Oh, wow, 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 wow. My comment section is filled. My comment section is filled. Yes, keep the answers coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. 59 times 11. Awesome. Wow, awesome. Keep typing, keep typing. It is mental math. It is mental math. Keep typing. Amazing, amazing. So let me mention the names of those who typed the correct answer. Neche, correct. Nebila, correct. Fedora, correct. Fedora, what happened? You made a mistake. Emmanuel, correct. Excel, correct. Divine, correct. Uche, you made a mistake. Osasui, correct. Muslim, correct. Victoria, correct. Macaulay, correct. Prosper, correct. Uche, correct. Wisdom, correct. Desmond, correct. Adekunle Rukayat, correct. Moyosore Oluwa, correct. Mercy, Victor Iloba, correct. Faith, correct. Chidiebere, correct. Eric, correct. Elwa, check your answer. What happened? Sarah Oshamaye, correct. Fedora, correct. Muxit, correct. Mary, Tokes, correct. Lizzie Busoye, correct. Irat Olowa, correct. Ibrahim, correct. Cindy, correct. Favor, correct. Yeah, the answer is 649. Marvelous, correct. Precious, what happened? Precious, please check your answer. Laughter, correct. Damian Isaiah, correct. Oh, Victor Iloba, what happened to your network? You can't hear me, I'm so sorry. Can you, if you can't hear me and you can't see my screen, please leave the class. Go and click on the link again and come back to the class, okay? Havila, you made a mistake in your answer. Glorious Ugochukwu, correct. Peculiar, check your answer. Ewa, check your answer. Okay, you couldn't hear the question. Don't worry, you'll hear the next question. Okay, no problem. Precious, no problem. Amanda, your answer is correct. Grace and Miracle, correct. Okay, Victor Iloba, what happened? Okay, Favor, correct. Havila, correct. The question was 59 times 11. 59 times 11. Okay, Mercy. All right, no problem. Okay, so let's pay attention to my screen. Get ready. We are moving into another concept. So if you enjoyed how to multiply by 11, type number 20 in the comment section for me. If you have learned how to multiply by 11 and you enjoyed it, type 20, 20, 20, 20. Let it roll in. Thank you. Okay, so let's learn the next concept for 5 minutes. Now I have closed the comment section because I want you to pay attention to my screen. So everybody should stop typing and pay attention to my screen. Now we quickly want to learn something I discovered that many students don't get, all right? And that has to do with word problems. It has to do with word problem. So I'm going to pick a concept of word problem now and show to you. I'm going to pick a concept and show you how to do it. So now pay attention. In fact, the most difficult part, will I call it the most difficult part of word problem that many students fail. Okay, so Okay, so now let's do that with an example. Victor is 10 years old, or Victor is M years old. Victor is M years old, okay? Now listen, how old will he be? How old will he be in 4 years' time? Victor is M years old now, okay? Victor is M years old now. How old will he be in 4 years' time? Now, Victor's present age, pay attention, his present age is equal to M years, that is his age. Now, age in 4 years' time. 4 years hasn't come. 4 years will come later, which means we need to add 4 years because it has not come, it will come. So his age in 4 years' time is M, that is his age now, plus 4. This will be his age in 4 years' time. So his age in 4 years' time is M plus 4. Okay, his age in 4 years' time is M plus 4. His age in 4 years' time is M plus 4. Okay, so I hope you've understood that. Now, if I ask you that, what will be your age in 4 years' time? You know your age. You know your age now, everybody. So I'm going to open the comment section. You already know your age. So let's assume Victor's age now is 9 years. If Victor is 9 years, everybody look at, let's say Victor's present age, or let's say Fola is 9 years old. Okay, Fola is 9 years old. How old will she be? Will she be in 4 years' time? How old will she be in 4 years' time? So Fola's present age is 9 years. Okay, so we'll say present age is equal to 9 years. Age in 4 years' time. Age in 4 years' time. It means when we add 4 to her present age, or we add her present age, which is 9, to 4. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, which means in 4 years' time, Fola will be 13 years. In 4 years' time, Fola will be 13 years. That's in 4 years' time. It's yet to come. Now look at the next example. Let's pay attention so that you can get stars for yourself. Now look at the next one. Look at the next one. Eze is Y years old. Okay? Eze is Y years old. How old was he? How old was he 8 years ago? How old was he 8 years ago? Now, Eze's present age is equal to Y years. Eze's present age is equal to Y years. So what was his age 8 years ago? That was past. So anything that has to do with past is subtraction. So we say age 8 years ago. That's equal to his present age minus 8. So his age 8 years ago will be y minus 8 years. Y minus 8 years. Now let's look at this next one. Let me use Mercy. Let's say Mercy is 21 years old. Don't worry, Mercy, you are not 21 yet. Mercy is 21 years old. How old was she? How old was she 5 years ago? Okay, this has to do with past tense. 5 years has passed. So how old was she 5 years ago? So her present age, her present age is equal to 21 years. So age 5 years ago. That's subtraction because 5 years has gone, 5 years has passed. That's in the past tense. So her present age is 21. That will be minus 5. That will be equal to 16 years. So which means 5 years ago, Mercy was 16 years. Right now, she is 21 years. 5 years ago, she was 16 years. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. So let me see who goes on with 10 stars this evening. So now it's time. It's question time, stars time. It's question time. It is stars time. Time to give out stars to the students who's going to get my scores, my questions right. So now listen to this question. Listen to the question. Get ready to type your answer and get ready to type your name beside your answer. Get ready to type your name beside your answer. Ready? So, okay, pay attention. John is B years old. John is B, that's letter B as in bag. John is B years old. How old will John be in 2 years' time? What will John's age be in 2 years' time? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Post your answer now. I'm going to close the comment section. Post your answer and your name beside your answer. I'll be closing the comment section in the next 5 seconds so that I can mention those who will get my stars tonight. Are you excited? John's age is B years old. How old will he be in 2 years' time? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm closing my comment section. Thank you. Now let's look at the right answer, the correct answer. Oh, divine. How will get my stars tonight? This question is actually for, you're going to have 4 stars for this question. Did you pay attention very well in a class? I haven't gotten the right answer. Yes, somebody got the answer. Yeah, Muslim. Muslim has 4 stars. She got the answer right. The answer is V, whether V or B plus 2. So she wrote V plus 2 years, correct. Eric, correct. B plus 2 years, correct. Moyosori Oluwa, correct. Desmond, correct. Excel, what happened? In 2 years' time, 2 years has not passed. So it can't be past tense. It can't be minus. Okay, Emmanuel, correct, correct, correct. Mercy, correct. Nature, Glow, correct. All right. I'm only picking the correct answer. Victoria, what happened? Why did you exchange the terms? Okay. Osayuki, correct. Fedora, correct. Nebila, correct. Damian and Isaiah, correct. Ifeoma Chidum, correct. Uche, correct. TJ Olad, correct. Divine, correct. Precious, correct. And Adekunle Rukayat Omolara. So if I mentioned your name, you have 4 stars. You have 4 stars. Now the next question. And this next question, I'm going to give 6 stars. I'm going to give 6 stars. I have closed the comment section. I'm going to open it when I want you to drop your answer. All right, so Mitchell is 15 years old. Michelle is 15 years old. How old was she 5 years ago? Michelle is 15 years old. How old was she 5 years ago? Ready to post your answer? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Post your answer now. Okay, I want to lock my comment section. Keep posting your answer. Write your name. Make sure you write your name beside your answer. Okay, I'm ready. Still post your answer. I have opened the comment section. Before I close it, post your answer. Okay, thank you. So now if you hear your name, you have 6 stars. Okay, so how old was she 5 years ago? That's correct. Moyosori Oluwa, correct. Correct. Faith, correct. Divine, correct. Emmanuel, correct. Akinola Kehinde, correct. Temitayo Omonwunmi, correct. Laura Nwosu. Okay, that's Eric. Eric, correct. TJ Olad, correct. Neche, correct. Olubunmi Adegoke, Adekunle Rukayat, correct. Victor Iloba, correct. Nebila, correct. Glow, correct. Desmond, correct. Irat Aloha, correct. Mercy, correct. Wisdom, correct. Excel, correct. Osas, correct. Uche, correct. Fedora, correct. Victor, correct. Favor, correct. Lizzie Busoye, correct. Miracle, correct. Damian Isaiah, correct. Muslim, correct. Havila, correct. Marvelous, correct. Correct. Nkechi Ezike, correct. Ewa, correct. Simdi, yeah. You didn't write your answer, but I understand. Correct. Peculiar, correct. Osasuyi, correct. Zinat, correct. Adekunle Rukayat, correct. Favor, Opeoluwa, correct. Macaulay, correct. Precious, Muxit, correct. Olowa, correct. Temitayo Omonwunmi, Olayoruju, correct. Correct. So you have 6 stars. So now before we end the class, I believe you enjoyed the class. Now let me know the total number of stars that you got. Now the first one, which was the mental math class, if you got all the answers correct, I'm giving you extra 10 stars. If you got all the answers correct. So now tell me the total number of stars you got. Type it in the comment section now, then we close the class.